What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. Without further ado, I'm KJ, and without further ado, let's hop into the portfolio. Right now, in the investing account, we're sitting at $60,763.01. As you can see on today, the account dropped $810.54. Real quick, let me show you the traditional IRA, sitting at $43,361.84. Also, on today, we dropped $549.83 or 1.25% on today. And then going into the after hours, we dropped another $81.61 or 0.19% altogether. It's okay though. I'm going to show you why. Today was an awesome day buying opportunity, and that's exactly what I did. I deployed some more money into the market today through my buying power. Right now, the buying power is sitting at $554.68. So I really had more than that in there, guys. But like I said, I had to take advantage of such great prices when I seen them today. Cash earning interest is $556.76. Crypto, Ethereum still at 3,300. I got $100 worth of Ethereum. I'm up $6.19 in that position. Nothing too crazy. I got 101 USDC. I got Bitcoin is still at $94,422 right now. Taking a little hit on Bitcoin, $3.60. Not bad though, because I'm looking for that to go back up. I should buy more now while it's low. I still got a smidget of Avalanche and it's doing okay. As you can see, we got a lot of red today. That's good. Those are the days that you build wealth. I tell you guys that all the time. And days when they're green is the days where you collect the wealth. Red equals building wealth, and we are in the building stage of wealth. So today is a day that you would take full advantage of the market, which is what I did. Now, I'm going to show you exactly the new buys that I bought today. Let's start off with SPLG. SPDR portfolio S&P 500 sitting at $70 on the close of business today. Guys, look, I have a dividend coming up, SPLG, $47.89. Pretty good chunk coming in. I actually ended up, now, as you know, I had a 200 share size goal this year with SPLG, and I met my 200 share size. But today, I had a couple of extra dollars in the account, so I went on to purchase another 7 point something shares of SPLG, almost 8 shares of SPLG. So there you have it. I'm sitting at 207.87 shares of SPLG. Market value is $14,551.37. Average cost is $63.57. Total return is $1,336.71. I'm up a positive 10.12% return in the market. Year to date, SPLG is up 26.06%. So I'm excited for SPLG. I'm going to continue. I decided to go ahead and continue growing my share size in SPLG for the remainder of 2024 before we get to the 2025 and get started on some other popular ETFs that I'm working on. Next, I want to talk about LTEC. FTech. It's my Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF. This ETF actually tracks the information technology sector. All the big boy blue chip stocks that I like to invest into, like the Mag 7 and other things. LTEC tracks all of those companies. Now, it's a heavy discount sitting at $189.07. This is actually the ETF that I'm planning on purchasing more of in 2025. Right now, I have share size of 5.34 shares. Market value is $1,010.07. Market the average cost is $156.13. The total return is $175.98 or a 21.10% return. Guys, I can't wait. I'm ecstatic. I can't wait to get the share size up in this particular investment because why? LTEC is high growth. It tracks the information technology sector. If you need equity in your portfolio, if you need money to be generated and made in your portfolio, I'm telling you, something that tracks the technology sector is going to be the way to go. I'm not your financial advisor. I can't give you financial advice. I don't have a Series 6 or Series 7, but I'm just telling you what I know, and I'm telling you what I'm doing. That's it. Next stock that's going to help us get rich is Walmart. Sitting at $91.51 is down for today as well. Dividend coming in, $22.42 for Walmart. I got 109.09 shares. Market value is $9,983.28. Average cost is $57.34. I have a total return of $3,727.73, or a 59.59% increase. Woo! Almost 60%, guys, increase right there with Walmart. We're going to keep the dollar cost averaging going into Walmart to make sure we keep those share sizes growing, growing, and growing. It's going to help us get to where we need to be. Next up, guys, I'm going to take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia is sitting at $136.62. It took a major dip today, but, you know, when they dip, we dip and gilp. What's that saying? How that go? When it dip low, we go high. However that go. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Look, market share size 54.71. Market value $7,475.26. Average cost is $118.26. We lost $181 in this position today, but overall we're still up $1,004.70, or a 15.53% return. So Nvidia still doing well for us, guys. Our 54 shares over in this position. Meta right now closed at $599.35, guys. It actually has reached 600, and it's reached over 600 just a couple of days ago. But Meta Platforms right now took a dip today. It has a dividend coming as well. I got 2.4 shares of Meta, and I'm really looking forward to expanding this into going into 2025. Even right now on the edge of 2024, I'm going to go ahead and just start diving headfirst more into this stock position. Market value is $1,448.95. Average cost is $505.15. I should have bought more back at that price. I should have bought more back at the $90 a share price when I first realized that Mark Zuckerberg was renaming Facebook the metaverse, and stocks was so low back then. Guys, I don't want to say I missed it, but I kind of think back on that all the time as the one that got away. I wish I would have never let that get away. Total return $227.74, or a positive 18.65% increase. Guys, going into 2025, I would say look out for Meta Platforms. Meta is one of those companies that has an outstanding market share. It has an outstanding valuations. It has outstanding overhead as far as being able to put revenue where it needs to be. 98% of the business for Meta comes from their advertising space. There's no other platform that has as much eyeballs visit their sites every day than Meta, which includes Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Threads, and the like. So Meta kind of cornered the social media market. This is one stock that for sure I'm diving into it head first, 2025. Next up, I want to talk about Google, Alphabet Class A. That's another position that's down, but another position I'm looking to fill out more in 2025. I got 12.71 shares, Alphabet Class A. And Alphabet Class A, Google Class A just means that you got voters' rights. Class C means you don't have voters' rights. I got 12.71 shares. Market value is $2,447.56. Average cost $144.36. I should have took advantage of that more when I had the chance. Total return $612.24, or 33.36% increase. Man, I'm telling you, Alphabet, man, is still one of the Mad Sevens. Amazing returns. Just mind blowing. Alphabet Class C sitting at $193.87. I have some of this too. I got 4.92 shares of Class C. Like I said, just means no voters' rights. Market value is $954.33. Average cost $180.20. And right now we're up $67.30, or 7.59% increase. Guys, my average cost in this is 180. It took me such a while to see the profits in this position because I bought so high. But right now it's at 193, and I believe going into 2025, I believe Google continues to grow, continues to go. They're going to continue being number one in the web search sector. So definitely diving into more of that. Next up, we got Serve Robotics. This company is going to help us reach our financial achievements. Serve Robotics right now is at $16.31. It took a nosedive today, straight down, and it's been trading low all for the rest of the day. I have 10 shares of Serve Robotics, planning on picking up some more. Market value is $163.10. Average cost is $8.67. I'm still up $76.40 or 88.12% return. Woo! Y'all, that's 88.12% return. That's crazy gains, crazy dollars. So be looking out for Serve Robotics, man. This is a good company overall. Nice in the tech space. Year to date is up 243.36%. Serve Robotics also has been touched by the gold standard, which is Nvidia. Nvidia bought like 10% of all the shares of Serve Robotics that ever existed. So, man, that's amazing. These are some of the major companies that's going to help us. Oh, let's go over Amazon. Amazon sitting at $224.02 is also on sale today. Market value for me, I got 3.50 shares of Amazon. Like I said, in 2025, this is another one. I'm looking forward to investing into more. Market value is $785.92. Average cost is $159.25. And I'm up in the position $227.24 or amazing 40.67%. Woo! I love these numbers, guys. The Mag 7 is not playing. Might as well look at Microsoft. Microsoft sitting at $430.59. We're down in this one today as well. It's on sale. I got 3.70 shares of Microsoft. Market value is $1,595.71. Average cost was $411.89. I'm up in the position $69.27 or a positive 4.54% increase. Microsoft hasn't been having the craziest of year, but, you know, Microsoft one of those companies that'll always be around. It showed us it's always been around. This past year, year to date, is up 15.17%. Not really a crazy growth by these Mag 7 companies, but Microsoft is still solid, and I will continue to invest in that in the future. Apple's sitting at $254.77. And once upon a time, everybody, Apple used to be my favorite stock, my favorite Mag 7 and everything. I got 22.09 shares of Apple. Market value is $5,628.75. Average cost was $175.83. And total return overall, I have $1,744.13 or a positive. I'm up 44.90%, 44.90% in the portfolio. Apple is one of those companies, man, that's been around for a while and will probably continue to be around to do what it does. So, yeah, we appreciate that. Next up, I got SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. This is the third ETF besides SPLG, LTEC. SCHD is the dividend portion of the triple threat ETF that's going to help me achieve freedom, become rich, and all that. Okay, right now we're sitting at $27.55. We're down on today on sale. I got 237.88 shares of SCHD. Market value is $6,553.82. Average cost is $26.30. Total return, even though it's down and it's on sale, but guess what? SCHD is a defensive ETF because it helps against these red days like we're seeing right now. Total return is $297.50. I'm up 4.76% in this position. I really appreciate SCHD. Now, the traditional IRA, we're back over here. The buying power is $11,837.39. I had some more this because I added some more money to the buying power just to, keep it elevated. And I'm going to continue to deploy in the market as I see fit. I still got 150 shares on the video over here. I still got 60.70 shares of SPLG. FTEC had another 14 shares over here. The one I want to kind of focus on right quick is Costco. Costco was sitting at $939, and it's also on sale. Nothing's wrong with the company. It's been doing great. So I bought another share. Now I got 2 shares of Costco. Market value is $1,878. Average cost is $944.75. So my average cost actually came down some. That's good. Total return negative $11.50. I'm just not seeing that, guys, for the first time. So guess what I'm gonna do? Since the average cost is the cost right now is at $9.39 and I'm at $9.44, I just need to buy some more at this higher or at this lower price. So Costco, really good company. Year to date is up 43.23%. I'm going to definitely continue investing in the Costco. I wanted to buy this thing, buy and hold long term because I'm excited about the company and I believe it'll do well. All right. Right here we have for the total $104,124.95 in the Robinhood account that's earning interest and money on top of money. Also, we have another $7,900 in the Fidelity investing account as well. So almost $8,000 over there. We're quickly approaching our goals. We're going to get to 250K, 500K, and eventually 1 million. So keep on investors, keep on investing. Don't get discouraged. Keep looking up for what comes your help. And until next time, it's yours truly, KJ, the investor, over and out. Peace.